See it? Alligator! They're going right for it! Jared's right there! It's going in the water! We better go! We better go! So you never walk this trail until this time, only this time of the year.
Yeah.
Because normally you start at the thing and if we would have walked straight on that trail, that's halfway point. So we're going like a little above that. So normally when you get out the halfway point, it's all concrete. You go up, you don't have to walk through this. Go in, listen. Hey, Jen. Sir. I don't want to see you. So when you go in, make sure we stay together. Don't be swimming. Don't be swimming 3 miles ahead, okay? Okay. Pop up, check the training. And for whoever's in a tube, ladies and little boys, you're gonna come around corners. You're gonna come around corners. There's gonna be lots of turtles. There's gonna be a snake. There's gonna be spider webs everywhere.
Don't play. Don't play.
No,
not serious.
Listen.
How do we tie our
When you come around the corner, you have.
Everyone jump in. 1, 2, 3, jump. You all gotta go at the same time. Let's go. Hey, they have guys. Hey, you grab number 2? You guys gotta get in.
Come on, Joe. What you doing?
Yeah, jump in.
I want to jump in. Alex jumped in, so it floats away. Brother Andrew.
Is it cold?
See that current?
Is it cold?
Strong.
You get used to it.
Oh, man, now.
Hey guys, you guys
Gotta hurry.
Hey, Brother Andrew. Brother Andrew, can we go without you?
Go ahead, yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah, go. Alex, let go.
Hey,
Pretty sure I just forgot how to swim.
Here, we'll push you off. Ready? Oh, it's gonna flip you.
I'll put him in. Wait.
All right.
Hey, Eston.
Oh my God.
Eston, come here. Time up streaming.
I'm not gonna put this in yet. Okay. Bye.
No.
Oh.
All right, Adam, you gotta jump in and we're throwing you in. No, seriously, you got like 10 seconds. You gotta hurry up. Let's go.
Why?
Because we gotta go. All right, let's go.
Wait. I want to get in one of those.
You better swim then. You better go.
Go.
Why?
All right.
No.
All right, we're going.
No.
Go! You're all right. Swim.
I can't.
I can touch the bottom. Hey, put your arms in front of you. I just lost a shoe. I lost a shoe. Watch for my shoe. Hey, huge gar. Like 4 foot gar right there, 3 of them. Alex, where's our thing? Is that mesh?
Yeah.
Hold on this. Oh, there's a 4 foot gar right underneath us.
Oh, really?
It's huge.
Why would you stay in front of everybody? It's not cloudy up here.
No, it's a gator.
Oh, that was so fast.
Awesome. Touched it. There's like a 3 foot bar right there. I just touched it.
The tube. You want to swim in it?
The what?
You want to swim in there?
Do it. need to lunge my back. Yeah, you guys see a worker, don't be standing up.
How do you stay in one place?
It's chill.
Wait a minute.
Oh, my feet hurt. Does it work without?
Hey, Helen! Hey, grab a branch or something.
Are you okay?
Whenever you get one.
It's not that cold anymore. How does it feel without flippers?
I feel fine, so I put my hands behind my back so I don't wear my arms out, and I just slowly kick my feet.
It's so hard to keep up with that. Like extremely hard.
Without flippers?
I keep like standing up and they're all muddy behind me. I can't see any of this.
Mother Nature. It is so nice.
Oh, it's so cool.
Yeah, we're good to go.
All right.
They're going right for it. See it? Alligator! They're going right for it. Jared's right there. It's going to the water. We better go. We better go. He's gone. He's in the water.
It's on. No.
Hey, bro, what's up? What's up? Wow, what's up? Just for seeing me. Now you have 2 more subscribers. What? 3 more likes.
Vlog me. So good.
Me.
Vlog me.
It's me.
Hey, that sandwich is bologna.
No, it's vlog me.
Alligator? They were so close.
Right up like 10 feet from it.
Not even 10 feet. I was like 5 feet. I was not on the log.
They were literally so close.
I hit the log. I'm swimming.
Take it off, right?
Never mind.
This is so. No. It is really nice. Oh, I can see everything now. Look at all these people. You just got 2 more followers.
Yep.
2 more followers. Because Abby.
No, it's not. Right here, hey, family. Subscribe to Country Chaos.
Nope.
No, don't.
They
we got more subscribers than they will ever have.
Hey,
we have double subscribers of him, and bro, we have double subscribers of you and triple subscribers.
Your GoPro's at like 3%.
Double subscribers.
I'd rather have more.